Welcome to Upstart Press. In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. To do that, go to their profile and press unblock button. Press unblock to confirm. And that's it. Now this was a single contact. What if you have blocked other people in the past? You can see full list of blocked contacts in TikTok. To do that, go back, press your profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile, press 3 lines at the top right. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy. Scroll down, and under Interactions menu, at the bottom there is Blocked Accounts option. Select that. And this screen will show all the blocked contacts that you have in TikTok. To unblock someone, simply press unblock button in front of their name. And that's it. So this is how you can unblock someone on TikTok. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.